Hey friends, welcome back. I am in the beautiful city of Mardin, a city that is frozen in time. And I decided today to Assalamu alaikum. I decided today to extend, well actually yesterday, to extend my stay because it's just an unbelievably beautiful city, and 1, 2, 3 days, 4 days is not enough. So I extended and I had to check out from this place, and I'm going to another one. Right now I am in the Bazaar and I'm making my way to the next home for the next few days. Today's video is to show you a beautiful house that I'll be staying at. Yeah, I'm out of breath and there's no way I'm taking those stairs. I'll go from here. And Assalamu alaikum. Everybody looks here with the camera. If you missed the video about the Bazaar, check it out, links below. But yeah, today's video is checking out a house cave that I'll be staying at in the next few days. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 5 nights. I'll be staying here longer. There are a lot to see, a lot to do. Whew. With backpack you run out of breath. Whew. But yeah, this is the video. Let me catch your breath. We continue the way to the house and also a tour around the house because it is absolutely gorgeous. I've already seen it. Right, I'm back at it. My breath is there yet, but we're gonna run out of breath later on soon enough. It's early in the morning, so behind me you can see all this here is the Bazaar, but it's closed. And the beautiful time in here in Mardin, the whole of, 1 second. Look at this mosque. If you missed the video, I was there touring the Bazaar and I ended up to this mosque, and then afterwards I ended up meeting locals. Check it out, the link is below. There's a big series about Mardin. So as I said, there is going to be a special series for this town because it is unbelievable. But right now, what was I saying? I forgot. Oh, look at this here. Yeah, there's more Bazaar here. Here is just like a maze, you know. But I'm gonna get into the main street in a bit because the house is on the hill, and it's quite beautiful actually. I checked it yesterday. Yeah, it's early morning, so everything is closed now. But what was I? Oh yeah, I was saying that they open in like late afternoon time because Mardin is a very hot town or city, whatever you want to call it, and right now it's really difficult to be around the the city without a shade. So that's why like they thought about it. I'm going this way. I don't even know if I'm going the right way, but it's just going up basically. And it's very difficult to be in the town during daytime with the heat. So a lot of people like keep it closed until like afternoon time, around 3, 4 o'clock they start opening. And it's actually beautiful sunset you can see as well. And the light is incredible. We are going this way. And also like I'm gonna continue shooting on my way because you never know what happens. It's Mardin. Something happens every time. With camera, without camera, something always happens. I'm gonna go this way and this way. Assalamu alaikum. Alright, it's probably too early for some action to happen spontaneously in the town. I'm kind of glad nothing happens because, well, when I see something happen, it's like something positive. Anyway, we're getting off this street right now. We're going up. Look at this for an entrance now. There's some puppies here. Don't worry, they're harmless. And look at this, man. This is so cool, right? I love this. They made it like you know, it's old, but like they gave it that colorful touch. Look at this. So cool. There's a kitty here. And this is a restaurant. Look, cats are roaming everywhere. And oh, look at this place. So cool. So like, it's a very old town, obviously, that's what I'm saying. But they gave it that extra touch in some streets and alleys. That color is beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. Everybody talks to each other in this town. It's the first town that I was able to meet people instantly. It's just too easy to meet people here, and I mean locals. Look at this for a view. Ooh, yeah. The rooftop restaurants here. There is a lot of rooftop restaurants here because the view is ridiculous. Ridiculously good. Whew. Man, this is a hike. It's because of the backpack, by the way. I think I'm arriving soon. Look how cool this is, like the alleyways, and it keeps going up if you choose to do so. Luckily I don't have to. It's a very beautiful town, very beautiful, like so charming. It's got some magic into it. Turkey in general is beautiful, but I think Mardin is really underrated. The whole marketing campaign about tourism here in Turkey, mainly they are speaking about, you know, Cappadocia and Istanbul, but there is much more than that. And Mardin is a place 100% without any doubt in my mind that needs to be given some time to it if you ever come to Turkey and visit. Anyway, I'm here. Marhaba. Ali? Ali. Look at the outside. He did it here, but let's do a quick tour about my new home here in Mardin. Look at this lady. Marhaba. Right, I'm here, and this is the place. Old style house, but kind of refurbished, and not refurbished, designed. Wait, have a look. So this is the entrance of the door, and we walk into this place. And it is, he painted it like blue and white. I kind of like it, you know, like it's so homey. It's nice. I don't know, like it's just like it's different, but you'll see now what I mean in a minute. Let's take a tour quickly of the kitchen first. So this is the kitchen here, quite dark. Where's the light here? This. Where is it? Ah, this. We got it. It's a simple kitchen with like the shower here as well, which is nice. And there is the toilet. There's like a small door here, look. There's the toilet. There are my bags here. There is a room here, which is going to be my room. Oh, locked. Like this. Woo! This is the place. That's where I'll be staying tonight. Oh, it's dark. Where's the lights here? Oh, this one? Oh, there's the light switch. And this is the room. It's cool, right? I mean, look at this. I'm like inside. So cool. Bed, couch. This is where we entered from. And there's another bed here. But it's not over yet. There is also this door here, which obviously I'm never gonna use. But inside here, there is another bed. This just keeps going. And like, it's so cool, like, to be able to see what's the old house were like. I know there's another video about a hotel tour and whatnot, but this is my home for the next few days. And I like it. It's so cool here. But this, I do not need. Close this here. And I have the choice of this bed or this bed. But you might think this is it. It's not. I'm gonna show the whole place because this is like an old house as well. And it's interesting. There was travelers here already, so the room is a mess. So you can see there was travelers here. They just left, checked out. And there is, so you can see like how it's old stones. We're inside the building, like we're inside. You see the main street where I was walking in. Once you go inside, you're like kinda, there's some things going on above us. Well, the house obviously, but it's so interesting the way how they built it back in the days. This is like, we're talking about thousands and thousands of years old. And this here is another room. 2 beds, couch, and pretty much everything really you need. But it's not finished because we're gonna go upstairs. And this is here, the stairs. It's quite windy today actually. And here there is another toilet as well, which is handy to have more toilets in. And there is like, those are the stairs where I came from. And there's here where, you know, another chill out seating. And we continue going up. There's another room here, or not, or is it? Oh, a kitchen. There's another kitchen here. Very nice. And I assume this is a room. Oh yeah, this is another room with, there you go, bed and yeah, little bed, and of course with a gorgeous view. But we're gonna get to the top now in a minute. And now we get into the top. Oh yeah, this way here, and this is the rooftop, and we are facing this view. Oh my god, there's Mardin there. We're not far. This is where I was walking today to arrive, and the entrance is here. Assalamu alaikum. And look at this for a gorgeous view. This is it. This is the top. It's very windy today. The small tables here and chairs can chill, but yeah, fairly nice here. Beautiful house, well made actually. And I look forward to stay here for the next 5 nights. This is my home now, and definitely worth it. Right. That's it. I want to check in now, freshen up, and start the day. With that being said, if you made it this far in the video, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you have not done already. Give the video a thumbs up, it helps with the algorithms, and as always, see you on the next one.